Welcome to our travel adventure in Isfahan, one of Iran's most historic and beautiful cities. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to one of the most iconic landmarks of Isfahan, Si-o-se-pol, or the 33-arch bridge. Get ready to explore the rich history, stunning architecture, and the vibrant atmosphere surrounding this masterpiece of Persian engineering. Standing on the banks of the Zayandeh River, Si-o-se-pol is a sight to behold. This magnificent bridge, built in the early 17th century during the Safavid dynasty, stretches 297 meters across the river. With its 33 arches, it's not just a bridge, but a work of art that has withstood the test of time. As we walk across the bridge, we can feel the cool breeze from the Zayandeh River. The intricate stonework and the symmetry of the arches are truly mesmerizing. It's easy to imagine the travelers of centuries past crossing this bridge on their way to the bustling bazaars and grand palaces of Isfahan. Si-o-se-pol has witnessed countless historical events. It was not just a bridge, but a venue for gatherings, festivals, and even military parades. Today, it continues to be a place where people come together, locals, tourists, and history enthusiasts alike. Beyond the bridge, the surrounding area offers a lot to explore. From the charming riverside cafes to the lush gardens nearby, there's plenty to see and do. Whether you're enjoying a cup of traditional Persian tea or taking in the sunset over the bridge, the ambiance is simply magical. Our journey to Si-o-se-pol is a testament to the enduring beauty and cultural significance of Isfahan. As we bid farewell to this incredible city, we leave with a deep appreciation for the history and heritage that Si-o-se-pol represents. If you ever find yourself in Isfahan, make sure to visit this architectural gem. It's a place where history comes alive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Thanks for watching.